Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Solution. Here two angles are acute angles, then the condition is cos A is equal to cos B. Let us taking two right angle triangle ACD and BEF. Okay, draw two right angle triangles. ACD is right angle triangle at C. BEF is right angle triangle at E. A and B are acute angles. A and B are acute angles. Where cos A is equal to cos B. Cos A is equal to cos B. We find cos A and cos B. First one cos A. Cos A. What is the form of cos A? Adjacent side of angle A upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle A, according to the angle A. Adjacent side of angle A is AC. Here hypotenuse is AD. Cos B. Cos B is equal to, formula is adjacent side of angle B upon hypotenuse. Here adjacent side of angle B. Adjacent side of angle B is BE upon hypotenuse is BF. Okay, these two trigonometric ratios are equal condition. Cos A is AC upon AD is equal to, cos B value is BE upon BF. Therefore, these two interchange the values. AD and BE are interchanging. Therefore, AC upon BE is equal to AD upon BF. We say that K. We say that is equal to K. This one is the equation 1. Therefore, using the Pythagoras theorem, why are you using Pythagoras theorem? Here AC is upon corresponding side BE is equal to AD. AD is upon corresponding side BF. Another side CD upon corresponding side EF. What is the value of CD and BF? We find the value of CD and BF using the formula, using the form Pythagoras theorem. First one, ACD is right angle triangle. Using the Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square. Here side is AC square plus another side is CD square is equal to hypotenuse square, AD square. Okay, we find CD. This term become, this side is negative value. CD square is equal to AD square upon, AD square. This terms become, this side is negative, minus AC square. Okay, First one, AC is equal to BE is equal to K. AC is equal to, this term become this side is multiplication of K. K into BE. And this term is equal to K. Here BF is divisible, become this side is multiplication. Finally, AD is equal to K into BF. Okay, CD is equal to, okay, square become this side square root of AD square minus AC square. Okay, CD is square root of hypotenuse square minus AC square. Similarly, EF is also square root of hypotenuse square. Here hypotenuse is BF square minus other side BE square. These two value substituting here, CD is square root of AD square minus AC square upon EF value is square root of BF square minus BE square is equal to square root of AD. AD value is K into BF. Square of AD is equal to K square into BF square. Substituting the AC value. AC is K into BE. AC square is K square into BE square upon square root of BF square minus BE square. Here common terms is K square, here also K square. K square is get common, square root of K square, remaining terms. Okay, K square is get common, remaining is BF square minus BE square upon square root of BF square minus BE square. Numerator and denominator are same, these two terms get cancelled. Finally, square root of K square, square root get cancelled. Okay, finally we write CD upon EF is equal to K. This one equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get equation 1 is AC upon BF is equal to AD upon BF is equal to K. Here K is CD upon EF. Here two triangle, their corresponding sides AC upon BE is equal to AD upon BF is equal to CD upon EF. Their corresponding sides are proportional. Two triangles, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, these two triangles are similar triangle using the theorem 6.4. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle BEF. Therefore, two triangles are similar triangles. Their corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles also equal. Therefore, their corresponding angles are equal. Angles are equal. Here angle A, their corresponding angle A corresponding angle is angle B. Okay, angle D corresponding angle F, angle C corresponding angle E. Here corresponding angle A is equal to their corresponding angle B. Okay, we prove that angle A equal to angle B, hence proved.